ke beberapa ni pechwai kimat berkongsan. Kular scam umudi ban ketong bat penshitom mikilekno hadin kejing tombor ha pahalgam. Saupu prakenta aipor ya kinong Pakistan ki bawan da ke SVES visa ban mi na India. Penkelain ke Meghalaya ya ki bor pahara kaput hadin ke Jingjia ha pahalgam. Bat kentaj usembut Menteri Rangba halo ke jing keno bombiang haga projek yau Laitumkhrah. Kikubor ke bapanya. Menteri Rangba adu kari Narendra Modi ne kesengi ula ong baki India kan pen itu ketong bat penshitom ya baro ki lekno bat kinong kershan jongki hadien ke jing syak tombo bersyirkai ha pahalgam Jammu bat Kashmir ha ka arpu artarik uyayong. Aba ai jing kren ha ke jing yalang ha Madhubani ha ke jing rakhin National Panchayati Raj Day. Menteri Rangba adu ula banjur ba on penshitom da ka bating e i kam pentriem bat ka mensiem ke India kan long ka bayainia bat ka batek song. Ula penparu ya ka jing teli syaki long yeng jongki lanot bat ai khuble ya ki nong elam ka perthai na ka benta ka jing kershan ka jongki. Umudi ula kular scam ban yakun persya i kam pentriem har ringkat ka jing kut jingmut jongki shispa sau pau kulur ngut ki patba da ka banyau ya ka ne ka jing syak tombor kum ka jing hiartma ya ka mensiem jong kari.
Track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in this time.
Bekren sikila batai khubor New Delhi nen kamid usketri ketnat kambari Vikram Misri ula ong ba onam sya yakinong Pakistan ban wan sya India lingba ki visa hapo jong kesak visa exemption scheme ula ong ru ba kinu ki visa SVES ki bala ai ha ki po bala deb sya kinong Pakistan la khen ba la pendam no iki ula ong syu ba kinu kinong Pakistan ki bedang don mentah India hapo jongka SVES visa ki don por mbasa prakenta ban mi no ne India ula benrap baya kinong aibot ketnat defense military naval but air ha Pakistani High Commission New Delhi kila sya khen kum ki persona non grata.
Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVES visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVES visa has 48 hours to leave India. The defense, military, naval and air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy and air advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad.
Kum kadak jong ka jing shimkhia hadien ka jing sya tombo badangshan ha pahalgam Jammu bat Kashmir ka sokar Meghalaya kalanang penkelain ya ki bor pahara na ka benta ka jing shingan ha Shillong ki jaka kaput bat ka Bangladesh. Menteri ketnat kam jengok kai perthai uba pol lingdo ula penbena ban penkelain ya ka jing pet ngor bat jing trelang bayajan bat ka Border Security Force ban pentiknai ka shongsuk shongsngan ki jengekran bat ka DGP ke jela ikong ida shisha nongrang kidang ya syakmat menang penterikam syuk-syuk iki senjam bayadai bat kilat jengeda ka jela ka lapan stat ru habayadai bat ka jing tungkam ban pendap ya lai hajar teli kam pulit ki basa teli aba penram jor ya ka jing sha thombor kum ka bashir kei bat ka bomdon jing sngo uba lingdo ulapan scam biang ya ka jing long teli jong ka Meghalaya bat ka soka pedeng bat ka jing yang scam jong ka persha iki kam leno.
Already upped the ante on the part of the government. We are now very vigilant. We are in constant touch with the BSF. The Chief Minister had met the DG. I had met him separately. And we are also going for more recruitment in the state police. As you are aware, about 3,000 vacancies will be filled up. And also wherever there are areas where there is a gap in ensuring the safety of citizens, we are coordinating with central forces and especially the BSF, which has vast presence in Meghalaya.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubak senyau bahalang dahar ulo kentat ia kijing keno halo kijing bambiang hakaliang ke pisah ke tingka habe dai bet ke projek ban penbaha ia ke yo municipal Laitumkhrah. Abakran kinong thok khubor uba dahar ulo ong ba onam siu AA shu kontraktor tat hadu ban pendep ya ke projek. Abajubab halo kijing dawa CBI nakaliang unong wat RTI usamla Napoleon mau penyang uba dahar ulo ong ba utai unong wat RTI ulong uba lait luit bandawa ya kajing tokit Henry ula kedau bakat kum kajing tip jong u kamdon kanu kajing bombiang kumbala keno Hashwa usamla mau penyang ula pa jing tho sya ulat kejela bot menteri rangba kejela da ka bakedau ya kajing sngokhia hakaliang kapisa ketingka bat kerukom trei bat kamariang.
Right or wrong, I don't know. It's not me. It's the official procedure. If somebody asks RTI, they have the right to reply to him, no problem. If he finds faults, he may go further. There is no issue on that. But according no, there is not such irregularities.
There's no such.
No. And the project is still under construction too. You see, point number one, when the project is still under progress, no need of filing RTI also. That is always. When the project is still undergoing, yes. After completion of the project, then they may check out, okay, the work is completed, the amount has been paid, what are the item of work, that is, they have the right now to come sometime.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubak senyau bahalang dahar ulo ong ba kam bayadai ba kajing penhe ya ka lingsun Shillong ha umroi Lakshmi Linti bahkan sedang no shen bat nakaliang ke Airports Authority of India kala sedang ban khot tender nak kebenta ke ni ke projek. Kani ke kentup ban penhe ya ke runway da sanspa nyup huai mitar sya ka jinghe pura ke baah jar sauspa mitar. Kenang ban ailat ya ke jingwan hiar jong ki lingsun bahe hashwa jong snam ahajar arpun riau. Ula pensyai bekerjaka ke belah shimshu ke day nak kebenta ke runway and safety area lani reza bat om nak kebenta ke main runway ke badon hapo uput usam baladon lupa jonggakat lingsun.
It has been approved by the airport authority. We are happy to inform you. So hopefully the work will start very soon, and hopefully by the end of 26, I think we should be able to bring big flight here. A320, big one, the one we used to fly normally, quality the rate. 180. Cost is not from the state, it's from the Airport Authority of India. They will do everything. It's in they will touch around 500 crores, more or less. They told me when we had the first meeting. The infrastructure work, not fixed. They told me it may be 400-500 crores, something plus minus, on the process. But we are getting the working permission through defense, so we can go ahead with that.
MLA ke nongpo uba Melbourne iem ulapan pau ke jing sngokhia halo ke jing nangkiu ke jing jabo akeleng ke Meghalaya kamtam ha bernihat dangshen ke belayo nam kum gejaka ke bajabo tam ha ke leer ha ke perthai uba iem ula banjur halo ke jing don kam banle AA na baro aliang ha preng ke Assam bat Meghalaya na ba baro arjla ki don bentalang ha bedai yakani ke jing Ula ai jing mut ru nak benta ka jing thung dieng ban yakun ya ka jing pom patha ri khlau ki batam bat kentu ya ka jing persang ban te lakam ya ki jing ing jong ki khlau. Aba kedau ba ka jing yada ya ka mariang ka dei ka jing kit khli lang jong baro ula kerpat ikinong shong shnong kumju ya ka sorkar ban penti kena ya kel air ka bakhut bat ka im lang sa lang ka bakot bakhia.
They are very much aware and they have been tasked and mandated to look after different units of factories, especially in industrial estate like Birmingham or Umyam or other part of the state, especially in Birmingham, where from the board also continuous checking is on. And as mentioned by our Honorable Chief Minister also, that the contribution to the pollution in Birmingham, it is not only from one side, it is from both sides.
Ki nong nya trok ki la pelong ka jing yakhi hadien ka jing khang jong ka sarkar ki kali ki baket palat khandai ton bat ki ba pendon kam mi ka surok na mau maram mau lendap shalat umsaw ha Eastern West Castles kani ka jing perking bakensan kensan ka la pelong ya komba lais pa teli ki trok ban yeng ha ki district ba per aga juk ka por ki nong nya ki la dawa ban sha ya lingba ka lenti ka baju pendon kam ni da ka weipat ka surok dam kila kentho ba ka jing ai jing mut banya lenti shamau reng keneng kamlong ka bobyang bat ka ba penrem dor ki nong nya kali kila maham ru ba ka jing khang ka bayai beteng kan penthut ya ka jing poi penpoi ki mar bat kan penkie ya ka jing lot jing sep ha ka let ka wan kumju ya ka dor jong ki mar bakong san
binang ne kadau menta ki pha la mo kreng kam dai benta ban lengi simar kreng ka hok jong ngi dei ban dang ne ta surok da bengi ngi khantam ngi gidra kali gidra balasane menta tambak langa nganya kali la dus nem arajar arfat haduk menta kam judan jingwit kam judan jinglumar tang menta kasi nung banutong dala jia kumne la sarkar la kam sya nang ne kumut ka hap ai la dam bat ka sarkar ko ang hanaleg nang tela po mor kleng ngilam kleng tengi melet dayong orang kleng ginam le dalile ro am bat juba jiting nyele nang ne bat kana kam kawai ka masik ngi pha sarkar tu perkhat lang yang ngi beduk busuk
ka West Castles District Administration kala pelong ya ka Rashtriya Poshan Pakwada Aja Apusan lani ka National Nutrition Fortnight ha MCH Hospital Nongstoin halor ka pangpadeng popularization of the beneficiary module in the Poshan Tracker uba HK Thaba uba day u ADC jong ka West Castles District ulalong ukongsan hagdi sngi hagba ula kintu ya kilong yang long sem bakin kiar na kijing bam balasong lupa ka kiat bat duma hagapo badang armet daga banjur ya kajing kongsan ban bam kijing bam taimet khnang banla banile persha e kajing bom he bom san pura ki khlong khna agane ka program la don lang ru kajing penshai shapang adhar kajing register ki birth certificate ba kajing pendapat ba halo ka Poshan Tracker na ka benta kinong yo jing mentoi la pen ko burom ru ya kinong tre anganwadi ba ya ki BCOs bat sangut kinong yo mentoi ki la yo pediang ru ya ki birth certificate
kibaran kam kibante ya gagan kapal jong kuna majung kibril kabaran saya kedan yang ada di nutrients kabagi ka protein carbohydrates fats mineral batka i nutritionist in apatai manage kita ki nutrients bang ini mungkin lagi jimbang plastik dalam chips ki Maggi itu kita menjadi chemicals bang ki preservative ini chemicals kita yang akan kita cukup berubah.
Ka project empathy bat ka Assam Rifles Public Schools ani ARPS ne ka sngi ke pelong ke Empathy Art Festival ka beningkong ARPS light kor Shillong aga bagi kena na ki sapu artli ki school ARPS bat ki kenhun na ki nyotli ki jela ke lawan ban shim benta ha ka ne ka program ba arts ngi aga bagala don ki jingele ka ba per kum ka jingtho postcard ke poetry ka jing drodur bat ka jing pen I ya ka nukat natak kajing temu jong kene ka tamasa ka long ban kentiu ya ka jing nang jing start bat ban don ka jing sngotu ka balong ka sinjam ban penyeso lang ya ka jing hikai ba ka jing hikai jong ka ARPS kene ka tamasa ka dei ka jing rakhi ya ka jing lesbun ka jing kentup lang bat ka jing dei para brio
of this region have travelled long distances to reach Shillong and be a part of this project and this initiative. We are hoping that it will grow and it will become larger in the coming years. It is also an initiation of the project and its journey in all our states which are rooted in this region. So here is to empathy, and here is to compassion, here is to creativity and joy, and the joy of creation.
Empathy is an emotion which we feel inside us. When we step into others' shoes, the feeling that we feel from their point of view, it's called empathy.
Ka inter-school athletic meet aja apusan jong ka West Castle's district level ka ba Laipo ka lasdang hinin ka sngi ha nong pathar outdoor stadium pendeng rei nong stony aga bladon hadu kumba kandai spa sanpu arngut ki khna ele kai na ki apun riu to league school la play perda ya ka program da iba S Masar iba DE executive engineer jong tanat PWD haringkat but district sports officer ikong balarinas em mat ki wei kan ram kilandan kidan hadu saus pa kandai pu arngut ki shinrang bat saus pa anru pongut ikan thei ki banya khun lai sngi ha ki jing ile kai ba per bat ha ka sngi play on sedang da ka jing mare shispa meter ki ba ha po ka pras nem karta Haga juk kapor ke district level inter-school athletic meet aja apusan kelas dang nen ke sngi hakalya kyang nang ba stadium dong mi sngi jawai hakabladon kumba kendai spa ngut kinong ile kai ni ki apapratali ki school bani shim benta haki kerdan per jong ke kerdan khat saus nem khat rius nem bat khat pras nem Ka inter-school sports but athletic meet aja apusan ka ba jong kenshi pelun la pelong hinin ke sngi hamadan umsait ba la pelong da ka kenshi pelun sports association ha ka jing snok ti lang ba ka district sports officer West KHASI Hills la play perda ya ka ni program da open crowd khajarin ubadai u em jong ka KHADC ba u MDC jong ka mau kerwat aba ajing kran uba khajarin ulapan pau ba ka jing le kai ka long kum ka rensan ba kong san na ka benta ka jing kieu jong ki samla ba ka jing kieu ki kam da ka ba kentu ki samla nong le kai ba kin long barabor ki ba don akor don burom bat ki ba IT lut met bat min sim
tadi itu sibun ki jing soba jing sotna ha ka jing long kna ka jing re ka ta ka jing trace ton ka jing ka ta ka jing len la di ka jing kam sham la sepe mentapat ngalong kumni kubang ngalong nomor ublei ura amang ngi ai ya ka batam yat pat pensu pha yoble kai ka bang ko banong pi ki hat ki ber ki kna school je ka banong than ka lomba la pi kwa ban boy se te ka thong jong jing job ka don kam ya pi ban trei sitom om tam ban trei sitom re ka don kam ro ya pi ban len ladi I shwa ya ki jing so pha baro
Mentang ini pej ya kajing long jingman kasih meneng hatura kajing kriat kalong 8 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong live saw degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau mentang kasih kalong nyo pupranak shispa ba aba pai pat Shillong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong 0.1 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 0.1 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau mentang kasih kalong saw pupra nak shispa kat bah jawai pat kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ba kajing sengam ka hau mentang kasih kalong nyo pusan nak shispa Kasun meneng kan rang hatura kat bah jawai ba Shillong kala bandon kajing haf slap ba malu mala hagi kat tu kat ne kijaka Sean poi se bekut jong tup kubon pe biang sa asin nya kini kimat bakongsan Kulas kem umudi ban ketong bat penshitom mikile no hadin kajing tombor ha pahalgam Sabu prakanta aipor ya kinong Pakistan ki bawan da ka SVS visa ban mi no na India Pengklan ke Meghalaya ki bor pahrah kaput hadian ke jingja ha pahalgam Bat kentaj usembut menteri dang ba halo ki jing keno bom biang ha projek yau Laitumkhrah Blok katun la poi sibukut jong tup kubor ngin se syam biang pila syai kasi ha ku bishiboni pi baro